Good morning, class. Standard 8. Today's history chapter. In that, the modern age in Europe. Chapter is Reformations. What is the Reformations? To bring new rules. Because regarding the church and church authority, the Martin Luther, who gave against the church authority and pope, the Catholic Church. From there is a two Christianities, from Catholic to Protestant. Those who are followed by Martin Luther, that is called Protestant. Those are previous, it is called Catholic Church. Catholic. Two title. To bring this rules and regulations of this church rules, the Reformation was created by the Martin Luther. Introductions. The Reformation was a movement started by Martin Luther to demand reforms in this church. The church in the Middle Ages was much more than the religious organizations, as it had control over the politics of states as well. It had become wealthy and corrupt. Reformations literally means changing something. In the history of Europe, the Reformation refers to the movement against the evil practices within the Catholic Church in the 16th century. John Wycliffe was the first person to attack the church. He has been called the morning star of the Reformation. Martin Luther raised a strong voice and launched a movement against the abuses in the church and authority of the Pope. The Reformations had a political dimension because many European rulers wanted to do away with the Pope dominion over them and become independent. The Roman Catholic Church also started a movement by reforming itself from within, which came to known as counter-reformations. The Reformation divided the Catholic Church into Protestants and the Catholics. Now, causes of the Reformations. Dissatisfactions with the practices of the Catholic Church. In the beginning, the clergy led an exemplary life and commanded great respect in the society, but with the passage of time, a moral decay erupted into the functioning of the church. Clergy became tempted towards money and paid less attention towards the religious duties. The funds of the church were spent lavishly on erecting artistic cathedrals and churches. The chief of the church is every state was supposed to pay his first year's income to the Pope as anat or first fruit. Indulgence was kind of certificate sold by the church to save the purchaser from all his sins. 1 out of 10 of the income of a person was given to the church. This was called the tithe, T-I-T-H-E, tithe. Clergy collected another tax called Peter's pence from the people. Every household was supposed to pay 1 penny annually to the Pope. The church offices and other benefits were given on considerations on material benefits. This practice was known as simony. Now, new learning. Renaissance had encouraged independent and organized thinking on scientific lines. The Renaissance also developed new learning and spirit of inquiry, so they started questioning the superiority of the church. The invention of printing press and printing of the Bible in vernacular languages brought a new outlook among laymen. The Bible was translated from Latin into regional languages. As a result, ordinary people who did not know Latin came to know the actual teaching of the Bible. The church practices were considered to be the incorrect and unacceptable. Next, Martin Luther's contributions. He has played a major role to bring the Reformation among the churches. Martin Luther, a German clergyman and professor of theology at the University of Wittenberg, openly criticized papacy. Martin Luther raised a strong voice and launched a movement against the abuses in the church and the authority of the Pope. He accused the church of the sale of indulgences. He posted 95 theses or statements on the church door at Wittenberg. He strongly opposed the sale of purchase of indulgence as a means of salvation. He had firm faith in the Bible, but not in the Pope. Luther's thesis created the stir in the Christian world. For this, he was warned. He bound the warning letters in front of some university students and professors on the order of Pope. The German Emperor Charles V ordered Luther to appear before Diet of Worms, where he was asked to withdraw all his teachings. He firmly refused. He was kept hidden in the castle for about a year as his life was threatened. There he wrote the New Testament of the Bible into German. He set up an independent church. Those who left the Catholic Church came to be known as the Protestants because they protested against the practices of the Roman Catholic Church. This is the main point. Those who protest against the Catholic Church, those are called Protestants. He set up Lutheranism was recognized as a legal form of Christianity by treaty known as the Peace of Augsburg in 1555 AD, 9 years after his death. This treaty was signed between the Schmalkaldic League, formed by Luther and some German princes, and Roman Catholic Church after a long civil war. The southern state of Germany continued to remain loyal to the Catholic Church, whereas northern states of Germany accepted Lutheranism. Now, counter-reformations. In order to restore the credibility of Catholic Church, a large number of dedicated Christians, including some popes, introduced certain reforms within the church. The most movement is known as the counter-reformations. A church council was convened at Trend in northern Italy in 1545 by Pope Paul III. As a result of the counter-reformations, different religious orders were founded. One of them was the Society of Jesus, founded by Ignatius Loyola, a Spanish noble. It was successful in winning back more adherents in Europe, India, China, Africa, and America. Now, timeline of the events. Martin Luther wrote 95 Theses, that is 1517 AD. Martin Luther was asked to defend his case before the Diet of Worms, that is 1520 AD. A church council was convened at Trent in northern Italy by Pope III, that is 1545 BCE. Queen Elizabeth established church in England as the official church 1559 AD. Lutheranism was recognized as a legal form of the Christianity by the treaty, the Peace of Augsburg. So this is the reformation of the Catholic Church. The simple word you can say, those who are against the Catholic Church, those who came from Catholic Church against the Pope, they started new that Christianity that is called Protestants. Even if you know, some people you make the Christian may be there. Someone go to Protestant church, someone go to the Catholic Church. So this is the reformation of this. Good morning class. Stay safe. Stay home.